First of all, thank you all for all your love and support so far. Your support motivates me to continue creating more content that will help investors like us to become better investors than we were before. I have started the YouTube membership to connect with you all even more and to offer special perks that you all deserve. Being a member, you can view my stock and crypto portfolio. I will share with you what stocks I bought or sold, and not only that, your questions will be answered on a higher priority. To make it even more attractive, I will be organizing live webinars time to time where we will discuss about current market situations, your doubts, and we'll also have special guests, and moreover, we will have a lot of fun hanging out together. Don't worry, I'll continue making high quality content on investment for free, as my mission is to help fellow master investors to become better investors than they were before. Via this membership, I want to create a close community of like-minded people, and goal of this community is to help each other become better investors than they were before. I believe investing is not only about buying stocks or real estate or any other value that may appreciate in future. However, investing is about mindset and is reflected in the way we live our life. In this community, all of us will do the following exercise at the beginning. First, we will set concrete and realistic financial goals for ourselves. We will define a timeline also to achieve that goal. Then, we will create a plan to achieve the goal, and most importantly, share this goal and plan with the community. This doesn't end here. We will then review our plan and progress every quarter, and will continuously adapt it based on our changing needs and market conditions. Lastly, we will share our achievements, experiences, and doubts with fellow master investors. This is just a beginning. In this community, we will help each other by sharing our goals and plans, by helping each other in creating a plan, by motivating fellow master investors during times of market volatility, as sometimes motivation or a small reminder is all we need to stay on track. And lastly, by preaching and living long-term investment mindset. I'm really looking forward to meet you all in this community and also for your support in realizing this vision. You can join this community by clicking on the join button, and this button you can find below the video. So, see you in the member section, my fellow master investor. Bye.